Entering the world of nutraceutical phytocannabinoids can be confusing. There are three major phytocannabinoid isolates in the Blue Sky line. We have CBD, CBG, and CBN. I think more about CBD for mood issues, stamina. I've been taking CBD isolate through the entire pandemic to keep anxiety low, enthusiasm up, and stamina going so I can manage my heavy caseload. CBG is the Rolls-Royce of phytocannabinoids and a very potent anti-inflammatory that combines very well with CBD. If pain is the name of your game that you're trying to change, it is our CBD-CBG combos, also known as the Max Relief. Our Pro line is a 50-50 CBD-CBG to deal with the inflammation that you can threaten with overtraining. Now, overtraining can happen to someone who's just starting to work out again or someone who's pushing it for the Olympics. Two versions of the same over-inflammatory experience that you're gonna dampen with CBD-CBG. Combining CBD anti-inflammatory properties with CBN has created our sleep line, becoming our most popular line to help people fall asleep and stay asleep. I love these product lines, and the CBD and CBG are also available in our Deep Relief Balm and our Max Relief Gel. This is wonderful for an isolated joint, or if you have fibromyalgia or rheumatoid pain, you can rub it on multiple joints. Many people like starting with our gel caps for dosing. You can chew these up and let them pop in your mouth. They do not have a strong marijuana feel to them because they are isolates and they have more of a vitamin E consistency to them. I like to start with one Sky Gel and go up from there. Our original is 30 milligrams of CBD isolate, and you are paying for per milligram of isolate when you're shopping for phytocannabinoid products. If one doesn't work for things like well-being, anxiety, mood, and recovery, you can go all the way up to 240 milligrams or 8 chewables a day. And 2 Sky Gels is approximately a dropper full of the gel, and you would do 1 to 4 dropperfuls a day. The sleep line is 1 sleep gel to fall asleep. So whether you're that elite athlete or coming off the bench and want that Pro line, or you're that pain relief patient and use the Max Relief, or you're looking for more mood and uplifting productivity molecule and to keep those anxiety levels low, or everything's good, but that gosh darn sleep just isn't coming around, Blue Sky line can help uplift your life today. You can go to bluesky-cbd.com to take a quiz to also help differentiate which products might be best for you.